All right, like I said, here is a video on exactly how to set up a Facebook business page, a YouTube channel, activate your KV core, and where you're going to find the blog post at on the KV core. That's what this video is going to be all about. So hopefully that section in the book was great. You really enjoyed it, and now you can, if you clicked on that link, you're able to actually visually see it. And if you're not reading the book and you're just like, these are great videos, hey, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. That way the algorithm's like, hey, even though Josh is a patriot and loves America, his videos are still good and everybody likes watching them who are realtors. I mean, like if you're not a realtor and you're watching this, I hope you get value from it too. I mean, small businesses can use this stuff too. They absolutely can. So give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying it at the end. Don't thumbs up it right now. I mean, if you thumbs up it right now, thank you. I really appreciate that. But if you want to wait till the end, I totally understand, because a lot of times contractors don't do what they say they're gonna do. They're gonna do, right? I mean, right? There's been a couple times I've paid a couple contractors, and I should have checked the work before I paid them, because I got to pay someone else to do it. Lots of joy. I know you guys out there know what I'm talking about. So Facebook first, Facebook business page. So over here on the left bar, right here on the left bar is my, yeah, it's mirrored. Okay, so when I look this way, I'm actually looking the other way. So over here on the left bar, click this down button where it says see more, click down, and then over here where it says pages, click that. Now, if you've never done this before, this is going to be blank for you. There won't be any pages on here, but as you can see, I've got little too many pages, and I help a lot of agents out with their pages because I want them to be successful. That's the whole point of eXp Realty. We're obsessed with agent success, so I want them to be successful. So over here on the left bar again, yes, over here on the left bar again, where it says create new page, click that button for me. Go ahead and click that button, and it's going to walk you right through the wizard. Right through the wizard. Those, what are they called? Those banners that we made for our personal Facebook page, for our personal Twitter page, for our personal LinkedIn page. Hopefully you went through and branded all of your social media the same. I really hope that you did that. You know what? I'm looking a little red on the screen. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. Is that fix-it-iny, or does that just make me look like a weird Halloween person? That does not look good. I don't like that. Let me try to adjust this. That's a little better. Nope, red, too much. I'll try to work on that next time. So it's real simple. Required page name: John Doe with eXp Realty. That's simple. That's simple, guys. If you're not eXp Realty yet, you haven't called me yet, we haven't connected, I haven't walked you through joining eXp Realty yet, put whatever other company name would be there. But put your name with your company, okay? That way you're compliant. Category: real estate agent. Real estate agent, right there. And then bio, let me grab my actual bio real quick. Wow, that totally changed everything. God, I do not like the light. Sam I am. I do not like it on a boat. I do not like it in a plane. I do not like it with the goat. I will not eat those green eggs and turkey. So put your bio in there and be upfront with your bio. Be upfront with your bio. Like me, I put believer in Yeshua, Sabbath follower, because I don't work Saturdays, so I want to be upfront about that. I'm a father, and then I'm an Oklahoma Realtor member, because you're not a realtor, you're a member of an organization called the Realtors. You know, they're a great organization. At eXp Realty. So that is what my bio says on my actual real page. You just saw me copy and paste it. But be truthful. Be truthful in that bio. And then some people too like to put their phone numbers. I would put a little emoji in there. And then I would put my phone number. And I always put my KV core number, 8202. That way everything goes through KV core. It's my hub. Everything goes through KV core. So that's how I would do that. That bio looks a little weird there because it drops down, but oh well. I'm sure on the mobile it looks right. So then Is there a place to add pictures here? Nope. So I'm going to create page. If this page goes active, I'm just going to deactivate it real quick. So name required. Look, it's invalid. We suggest John Doe with EXP Realty. Well, that's the wrong. No, I don't want it to be capital E because that's incorrect. Let's see if I can. It's not going to let me. That's not how you spell EXP Realty. It's doing that for copyright reasons. That's why it's doing that. So I'll just capitalize all of it. EXP. I'll just capitalize all of it. It should accept that. Yeah, that's because that's not the right way to do it, because EXP Realty has copyrighted lowercase e, capital X, lowercase p. So I hope you guys are enjoying this walkthrough step by step. I should really quit mumbling so much. Put your EXP website right there. So mine, I've got the upgraded one. Okay, learnmore.com. I've got the upgraded website right there. EXP phone number 405-369-8202, and then your EXP email address, Josh. I'm going to capitalize J. Josh Barnett at exprealty.com, and then location, whatever my office location is. I don't have it memorized. I have a rubber stamp that I use to put it on it, and it's in my email write-up, so I don't have it memorized. I just always go to the commission to find it. And then if you have selected hours, like if I'm only going to work real estate from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, put those hours in there, guys. Be upfront with the consumer. Yes, it's going to hurt you as a new agent at first. Yes, if you're not available all the time because you're in sales, remember, you're in sales, act like it. Okay, it's going to hurt you. But if you have an established business and you're watching this to set up a Facebook account for the first time ever, then put your established business hours in there. Okay, I don't work Saturdays. So literally all of my business pages have me off on Saturdays. But put your hours in there, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put always open for an example right here. But it's not true because you shouldn't work Saturdays. It's the Sabbath. And I'm going to click next. Let's see what happens. Man, I got to get a brighter light bulb in here. Add your profile picture. Guys, we just made those yesterday on the last video. So I'm just going to go over here and pick one that's not going to fit right. This would be the closest one to fitting right. Right there. But this is for True Social. Yeah, it might fit right. Who knows? And then, oh, did I just do those backwards? That's the cover photo. Darn it. I think I just did those backwards. Add profile pic. Yeah, I did. So profile pic. Where is the profile pic? Right there. So all you're doing is clicking that button, scrolling through your computer's files, picking the pictures that you downloaded from Canva that we made on the last video. Okay, so that's how mine's gonna look so far. It's looking pretty good, right? Thumbs up. Looks pretty good, right? Yeah, absolutely. Best picture ever. Okay, it doesn't matter. Put a real picture up there. Don't use a fake picture. Don't use a computer generated AI picture. Okay, you don't want to show up to an appointment and them being expecting someone who's 20 years younger and 20 pounds lighter. Use a recent picture. Okay, use a recent. Did you hear me? Use a recent picture in your profile picture. Don't have a picture from 20 years ago, guys. That's weird. That's weird. There's so many people, so many agents that I've met and I've been like, oh my gosh, is that you? Where's your granddaughter at? Or where's your grandson at? Because I was expecting someone like 20 years younger. Where are they? Okay. And then hit next, and then page notifications. You'll want this stuff on, okay? You'll want that on, but I'm turning it off because I'm going to go turn this page off as soon as I activate. And that's as simple as it is. Right there, now you've got a Facebook business profile page. It's trying to make me go through the walkthrough. Not going to do that, but there. That's how easy it is. Okay, so creating a YouTube channel. So like I said in the book, you need a Facebook business page, you need a YouTube channel, you need your KV core activated, and you need your Google business page. Oh, let's go back to Google business page, because Google business page should have been the first one. Okay, so Google business page. So to get to your Google business page, guys, it's real simple. So on, let's say you're in Gmail. I can't go to Gmail because I got a ton of Gmail stuff in there. But you see these 4 squares? 9. You see these 9 squares right here in the top right? Man, I really got to mirror my camera. It's so weird looking the wrong way. How do I mirror that? It's so frustrating. But over here in the top right, click on these 9 bars, these 9 squares, and you're going to see business page right there, business page manager. Okay, so click on that and you're going to get somewhere right here. Or if you don't have a business page already, you're going to have something pop up that says something like this: start building your business page profile. Okay, I am not walking you through this. It's another easy wizard to walk through. It's absolutely an easy wizard to walk through. But like I've said in my other videos, in 2024, Google took my business profile page down 3 times. 3 times. I had to go re-verify it. Huge pain in my butt. I know that my business lost a couple deals because my business page wasn't active and I was in the process of building it back up. So I'm not going to mess with anything on my business page, even in this tutorial to show you how to do it. It's super simple to walk through it, just like on the Facebook business page. Do the same thing here. Walk through it just like you did, and then you'll have to verify it. Now way back in the day when I originally started this, it's as easy as getting a postcard, typing in the code on the postcard, and that would get me verified. Nowadays, I've got to drive to the office, sit in the office, video the outside street, video the entrance to the office, video the what is it called? The lobby to the office, and then I got to video my office in the office to get verified. Huge pain in the bottom when you got beautiful little kiddos you want to hang out with, when you got business and customers you want to take care of, when you got agents that you sponsored you want to take care of. Huge pain in the bottom to go spend an extra 3 hours to go do all that, guys. It's just so I can't mess up my Google business page. Like I said, I've lost it 3 times this year. It's been a huge pain in my butt. But right here, this is the wizard. Walk through it. All I did to get there was I went over to my business profile. Okay, and then click right here, and then add a new business profile. Add a new business profile. If you click on business profile and it comes to this screen right already because you don't have a business profile yet, that's probably what's going to happen. But it's a simple wizard, and you just walk right through it. Any questions on setting up your Google business page, put them in the comments down below, or reach out to me. I'd love to schedule Zoom, schedule a Meet, Google Meet, and we could screen share and we could walk through this together. But I can't do anything on this video to show you because I can't mess up my Google business profile. So once you've got your Google business profile set up, once you've got or started to get set up, once you got your Facebook business page started to set up, then you're going to be here at the YouTube channel. All right, so here we are on Google, YouTube. We just did the Google. Now we're talking about the YouTube. So when you're in your Google account right here, you don't click your channel, you click what is it called? Studio. So you'll click this drop down right here, and there's going to be one that says Studio View for you. Studio View. So click on that, and it's going to take you to this screen. See the HTML, it's studio.youtube.com. It's going to take you to your studio. And on your studio, you're going to come down here to settings on the bottom left, click that, and then go to channel, I believe, and then go over to advanced settings. So settings, channel, advanced settings, scroll down right here, it says manage YouTube account. So manage YouTube account. And then this pops up. And this is where you can add or remove a channel. So add or remove a channel. Click add a channel, and then just walk through the step-by-step process. It's another wizard. It's another simple wizard to add a channel. Guys, you've got to do this. This is super important. Creating the Google business page is important. Creating the Facebook business page is important. And creating the YouTube channel is important, guys, because that's where we're going to put our content like I talked about in the book. That's where we're going to put the content that when people start researching us because of what we're putting out there, the value that we're bringing to them, they're going to be watching the video, the content that we're making on these different, what are they called? Platforms. On these different platforms. So create your channel, and it can be as simple as your city real estate. It can be as simple as living in your city, like Jackson and Jesse teach us, living in your city. Mine is Oklahoma Real Estate Reviews by Josh, because there's like 8 or 12 different people doing living in Oklahoma type channels. So I wanted Oklahoma Real Estate Reviews by Josh. That's what I put on mine, guys. Make it yours. Make it whatever you want it to be. Okay. Follow the wizard. Use Canva to upload the what is it called? The banner, the channel banner, and your logo. And if you need help with your channel banner, like I said, reach out to me. I'll just share one of my YouTube channel banners. As you can see, I got a little bit of them. I'll share one of my YouTube channel banners with you. You can copy that and just make your own based off of that one. That way you already have it all spaced out and stuff. Real simple, guys. So any questions on YouTube, creating a YouTube channel, you go over here to the top right and you click Studio, YouTube Studio, click YouTube Studio, and then you go down to settings, click settings, click, what is it called? Channel, click channel, click advanced settings, scroll down, manage YouTube account. Golly, it's so redundant. And then click add or manage your channels. Add or manage your channels. And that's how you create your channel, okay? You've got to create the channel and the business pages so we can start putting the content creation out there. And then lastly, like I talked about in the book, is activating your KV Core account. When you onboard with me, we're going to do this right away. Like as soon as we can do this, we're going to do this right away. But it's simple as logging into Enterprise, into your Enterprise, clicking optional services, and then right here is going to be activate KV Core. Mine's been activated since like week 1 that I've been at eXp Realty. You want to activate your KV Core. And the reason you want to do that is you're going to take that content and you're going to put it on your blog. See the blog right here? You're going to start blogging all your content. You're taking the hyperlink from the platforms, you're putting it on here, and you're doing a write-up on it, and you're going to have the content that you create on Google Business Page, on your Facebook Business Page, on your YouTube channel, and on your KV Core blog website. So I was trying to make a short video. All my short videos end up being long because I'm really detailed and I want you to have as much information as possible. But that is it. That is the portion of creating the channel, activating the platforms to put the content on that we're getting ready to talk about in the next chapter of the book and on the next video. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, I've got to get a better light so I don't look all weird and fuzzy and stuff. I've got to get a better light. I know that. But if you enjoyed today's video and you found value in it, give the video a big thumbs up. Share it with any agent that you're working with who you want to have this awesome knowledge to. If the book's already out, mail them a copy of the book. Mail them a copy of the book. Yes, I get royalties off the book. That's why I wrote it. But also, it will help them become better agents. And if you help them, when you join eXp Realty with me, Jesse and Jackson, and we get you started in the Honey Badger network, and we get started with all the tools, the training, technology, and support that eXp Realty has, they can be one of the first people in your downline to join with you because of the value that you brought them by sharing this awesome content with them so they can take their business to the next level. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching tonight's video. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos that I drop. I try to drop like 2 or 3 a month. I don't drop them as often as I should, but I do try to keep the channel current with some current information that I see while I'm out there selling houses and my team's out there selling houses. See you guys on the next video.